Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to fill out this statement of financial backing. I've done 3 previous videos, one showing how to submit your documents, and this is one of the documents that is required for admission. So I'm going to show you how to complete this document. So this first part here says this is to certify that I will assume full financial responsibility for the amount of, and then you'll check the box of your program. So if you're an undergraduate student, a graduate student, or attending Logsdon Seminary, you'll select one of these 3. So here I am a graduate student, and I'm going to select that. Also, a side note, if you want to print this document and fill it out by hand, then you can take a picture of it or scan it back into the system to send it to us. That may be easier, but if you want to try and fill it out electronically, that's okay too. So this next part here says, for the support of, and this is where you'll put the student name. So this is for the support of me, Brittany Burns, during the course of her enrollment at Hardin-Simmons University. Now this part down here is very important. All of the amounts of money that I put here have to add up to the amount that I selected up here. So I'm an undergraduate student. It's going to cost $37,870 a year. So the amounts that I select down here have to add up to $37,870. The first part to look at will probably be scholarships. It will probably be the most understandable. So you should have a scholarship letter by now and have an idea of the scholarships that you've received. So for me, I received the Dean's Scholarship, which is $13,000, plus the Church Match Scholarship, which is $2,500, and that equals $15,500. So right here in this scholarship section, I'm going to type $15,500. The next part on this other section, you can put in $36,000. This would be for work study. This is not automatic, but you are allowed to put it on your financial backing form. So you can type in $3,600 in this section. And then this next part has to equal the $37,870. So if I have $15,500 plus $3,600, that equals $19,100. And then if I do $37,870 minus $19,100, that means $18,770. These 3 blanks have to equal to $18,770. So if your family is going to be paying for that, you'll just put that entire amount right here. But if you have other family members or friends who are going to be sponsoring you, then you'll put the amount that they're going to pay here. And then in this section, if your government is giving you any money to come to school, then you'll put their amount here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this $18,770 amount here. Oops. And then all of this together should equal the $37,870. Whenever we look down at the bottom of this form, whoever's account the money is coming from has to sign this. So your family member whose banking account the money is coming out of will sign this and then print their name, and you'll put their relationship to you. If you have any friends or relatives who are giving money, then they also will have to sign it. And we have another form with more lines, so if that is something that you need, then you can contact us and we can send you another form. And then in this very last part, it says this document must be notarized and have a certified bank statement attached. So for each of the accounts that are listed on here, you will have to have a bank statement saying that that much money is available. So it has to be an official bank statement attached with this document. If you have any questions, you're welcome to contact us. We will be happy to help.